Hey there, it's Amy here from the Bonjoro team, and I'll be guiding you through how you can send a video message using our desktop platform. If you would like to send a video message on your mobile, please take a look at the link below the video. Okay, let's get cracking. When you first log into Bonjoro, you are taken to your task list. Each task on the list represents a contact that you'll be recording a video message for. You can filter through different campaigns. Campaigns are lists of contacts depending on your intent for the video. For example, you can do a Christmas campaign where you create a list of contacts to send a Christmas Bonjoro message to. Or you can filter by assignee. Assignee and campaigns are a great feature for teams to have different lists and different users for Bonjoro. You can add tasks manually by clicking on the plus new button. You can add tasks individually, by group, CSV, or workflow. I will be going through how to create a task for a single contact manually within this video, but if you would like to know more about how you can add a task via CSV, group, or workflow, please check out our help doc below. Since we'll be adding one contact, we will be clicking on to one person. From here, follow the flow by adding in the contact's details. You will be asked for their email, their full name, the reason for sending them a video. This will only be seen by yourself. And finally, who the task is assigned to. Once you have clicked confirm and create, it will take you back to your task list. Click onto your newly added task and then click on record now. This will take you to your recording screen. Before you hit record, make sure that you have your camera and sound completely set up and connected. On the recording screen, you can see that you can also upload a video that is up to 100 megabits per second. If that's all set up, then you are ready to get the camera rolling. Simply hit the red button and carry on with your video. Once you are finished, hit the red button again. Then pick your favorite thumbnail. Our most popular tip is to smile and wave before you hit the record button, as this will become your first thumbnail every time. Then hit next and pick your message template. Once you have clicked the template you want, you can also go ahead and adjust the text if you want to personalize it further. Finally, click confirm and send. Once it's sent, you will be taken to the results page. Within the results page, you will be able to see whether your contact has opened your video message, watched, liked, or clicked on your call to action. You can also reply directly to your customer's reply right on the platform, either through results or by going to replies, which hold all your awesome conversations. And that's the ins and outs of how you can send a video message using Bonjoro on desktop. Happy Bonjin, everybody!